Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Quickmill espresso machine. This one was difficult to repair. The parts we got from the first distributor were not exact fits, and so we had to go to Italy to get the Quickmill parts directly from the manufacturer. This took much longer than we like for espresso machine repair, but it's ready now. I don't currently see a drip from the hot water wand, but we have had an occasional drip. We replaced the gasket for the hot water wand, but if you still see a drip, then that means that the whole hot water assembly would need to be replaced to resolve that issue. But it's such a small and occasional leak that we don't think it's worth investing in. And the machine otherwise is working great, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Now we're doing pre-infusion. We can go ahead and lift up on the lever. We had a small leak there. I could have tightened the port filter a little bit more. But yeah, you see we get a nice pour. It's really good crema. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. And let me just check the steam too. Nice strong steam.